Chit Chat English.
Could you take me to the airport, please?
Sure, it will be about a 30-minute ride.
How much will it cost to get to downtown?
Around $25, depending on traffic.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards and cash.
Can you wait for me here?
I can wait, but the meter will keep running.
Is this taxi metered?
Yes, we charge by the meter here.
Could you please drive a little slower?
Of course, your safety is our priority.
Could you stop here, please?
Sure, I will stop here.
Can you drop me off here? I've changed my mind about where to go.
Sure, no problem.
Not here. Next street, please.
Okay, next street.
Could you open the window, please?
Of course, opening it now.
How much should I pay?
It was $20.
Could you drive a bit faster? I am in a hurry.
I'll try my best to get you there quickly but safely.
I think I left my phone in your car. Can I contact you to get it back?
Yes, here's my card. Call me, and we'll arrange for you to get it back.
May I have a receipt, please?
Certainly, here's your receipt.
Could you please turn up the air conditioning?
Of course, let me adjust it for you.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Does this bus go to the Central Park?
Yes, it stops right in front of it.
How much is the fare?
It's $2.50.
How many stops until the museum?
4 stops from here.
Can you let me know when we reach downtown?
Sure, I'll tell you.
Can I use my monthly pass on this bus?
Yes, just show it to the driver.
What time is the last bus tonight?
The last bus leaves at 11 p.m.
Which bus goes to Main Street?
You need the number 5 bus.
May I pass, please?
Sure, go ahead.
Is this the direct bus to the airport?
No, you need the express bus from Station 3.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Could you move a little, please?
Of course, there's more space here.
Do you know when the next bus arrives?
They run every 15 minutes.
Can you stop here, please?
Of course, stopping here.
May I get off at the next stop?
Sure, I'll stop at the next one.
Which line goes to the museum? You need the blue line. Get off at museum stop. How do I buy a subway ticket? Use the machines at the entrance or the ticket counter. Does this train stop at Central Station? No, you need to switch to the red line for that. What time does the subway close tonight? The last train is at midnight. Which platform does the downtown train leave from? The downtown train leaves from platform 4. What time is the next train? The next train arrives in 5 minutes. Is this train going to Central Station? Yes, this train stops at Central Station. Can you help me read this subway map? Of course. Where do you need to go? Do I need to transfer to get to the museum? Yes, transfer at the next station to the Green Line. Where is the exit for Main Street? Take the south exit. Signs will lead you to Main Street. Are there any delays today? Yes, the blue line has a 10-minute delay. I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? Sure. Tell me where you're trying to go. What do I do if there's an emergency? Press the emergency button or speak to a subway employee immediately. Are there any restrooms in the subway station? Yes, restrooms are near the main entrance. How much is the fare to downtown? The fare to downtown is $2.50. I lost my bag on the subway. What should I do? Report it to the subway lost and found office immediately. Is there an elevator for disabled access? Yes, the elevator is next to the ticket booth. Where should I stand while waiting for the train? Stay behind the yellow line for your safety. Should I offer my seat to elderly passengers? Yes, it's polite to offer your seat to the elderly or disabled. How do I get through a crowded subway car? Say excuse me politely and move slowly towards the door.